Welcome to Dusty World.
What? Welcome to?
Dusty World.
Okay. So what are you doing today?
To get lamb chop and curry potatoes.
Yes. It's your favorite food. And what is this animals doing here?
And that is the only one. It's called Dragon.
Dragon?
He's the last choice.
Oh, last choice.
And this one is like it's the same.
Mm-hmm.
Monster truck. This one's that one's is Lego.
Mm-hmm.
Country road creature.
Oh, country road creature.
And this is human.
Human.
This country road creature human.
Oh, wow, so many.
It comes with country road creature monster hand. And it comes with a very high part 2.
Okay, and this?
And this baby Godzilla.
Oh, baby Godzilla.
Tata Spamo.
Okay, memo. So now, Mimi cook the lamb chop. Zachary prepare the garlic butter toast. So we put here so that you can do your work.
Hey, be careful, don't fall.
Okay, be careful, don't fall. Okay, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. And be careful. Okay, this is for you. This is your work. Okay. Zachary suka makan garlic butter toast. Yang ni saya buat sendiri. Ya. Nice smell. What is inside?
A garlic, butter, and
olive oil. And leaf, the parsley leaf. Kalau saya selalu buat sendiri, hancurkan bawang putih, masukkan daun parsley, fresh atau yang kering, dan butter, serta minyak zaitun.
Amy, pick chicken chop, and I pick garlic butter.
You do this and Mimi make the chicken chop. Okay, ni hari ni saya nak tunjuk homemade lamb chop. Saya dah prep semalaman. Antara bahannya black pepper sauce, mustard, yellow mustard, dan tambah lagi serbuk ataupun lada hancur dan sedikit serbuk cili. Okay, saya nak mulakan. Letakkan sedikit minyak zaitun. Dalam perapan ni tadi saya pun dah letakkan minyak zaitun. Wow, you smell? Is it good?
Yeah.
You like? Today we're going to eat the lamb.
Wait.
What?
Stop. Easy. Pick up. Whoa! The skin.
The skin. No, it's not the skin.
Whoa!
The fat, the muscle. Tunggu panas. Wow, so much.
Too much.
Too much.
For me.
Too much for me. Too much for you. Oh man. Zachary must learn. Okay, look, not so much like that.
You mean?
Wait, I adjust first. Then you can make again.
Hey, you said want to make.
Yeah. I say I do the lamb chop. You do here. Okay. You make like this. Is it hot? Okay. Let's start.
Okay.
Pertama. Wow. You can put 2.
Oh, it comes with the skin.
It's not skin.
But yes, you saw it. And no.
Okay, now we wait. Now we check. Wow.
Wow.
Can you smell?
Warning, epic loud is too much.
What is too much?
The louder.
Louder.
Yeah. Loud.
Okay, now finish your toast. We're going to put in the oven. Okay?
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Hey, Mimi, don't say.
Don't say what?
The
Okay.
you make finish. finished.
Okay, this is a Zachary garlic butter. Huh? Now we're going to toast. Huh? We put in the oven. Okay? Okay. Sementara kita tunggu masakan, kita belajar bahasa. Yeah, what? What is it? You start. Okay. Now Mimi teach you bahasa Melayu. You like? Okay, roti equals to English?
Toast.
Toast is roti bakar. Roti equals to bread. Bread. B-R-E-A-D equals to German? Roti? Brot. Papa said brot, German. Okay. Makan? Melayu say makan. English equals to?
Makan.
Makan.
Because the English I don't know.
You don't know. Eat.
Eat. Haha.
Oh, eat. Makan equals to eat. German equals to? Papa, German?
Essen.
Essen. Essen. Makan roti. Say, makan roti. What? Makan roti bakar. What?
He's near the bamboo. He take a fire.
Oh, the fire. That's the memo dead. Okay, we'll bring the memos here.
Another again.
Another again. Okay.
1, 2.
The dragon can move? You can make? He dancing. Moonwalking like Michael Jackson. Oh, he cannot move here. We put here.
No, he didn't fall. He just.
Okay. We put here, he dancing. Here on the board. You get stuck. Oh. So you make a moonwalking.
Oh, wait.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Zachary, apa kabar? How are you?
I'm 9.
That is all. How are you? Apa kabar? I'm fine. I'm great. Okay. Apa kabar is bahasa Melayu. English is how are you. German is Papa?
Wie geht es dir?
Oh.
Wie geht es dir?
Wie geht es dir? How are you? Oh, my life is a burn. It's burn.
He's done.
Okay. I think we can carry out already. Okay, we check our food. Wow. Ta-da!
Be careful!
Okay, this is our lamb chop. Now, ini saya ada, what do you call this?
Yes?
Creamy mashed potato.
Wait a second, wait a second.
Wait a second, look.
Kartoffelpüree.
Oh.
Okay, stop. Wait.
What?
What's that? What is that?
This one.
The
What is this?
country creature, the human part 2.
Oh, he wants to eat lamb chop.
No.
Then?
It's a whoa!
Hmm?
Whoa!
Whoa. Wow.
Become the.
Finish.
It's getting the same like a big human. It's the same like a big human.
Okay. So, okay. We try first the lamb chop. Roti bakar tak siap lagi. Kita makan lamb chop dulu. Makan. Equals to?
Equals to.
Eat.
Amy, look at that.
Oh, okay.
The country creature is turned to. It's a whoa!
Whoa.
It's turned to the big human. Wow. It's turned to the big human. It's caught. This one is caught. What?
Essen. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yummy. Oh. What? Why you shake? You don't like? Why you don't like?
No.
What's wrong? Why? Tell me why you don't like.
Because I don't like stink.
You don't like stink? My lamb chop stink. Oh,
Maybe.
huh? I'm sad.
Maybe I take 10.
10 what?
10 star.
10 star. Now you give me 10 star. What about the potato?
No.
Oh, why not? It's potato, have milk, have butter, have garlic. Ni sedap, sedap, delicious. Cannot always eat bread. Okay. Oh, Zachary don't want to eat.
Maybe I take.
I think I give to Papa. Papa will like Mimi lamb chop. Oh,
Wait. Oh, this one. Look.
you give to Papa.
Wait a second. Oh! What? Mimi, it's turned to human. Mimi, it's turned to man. Whoa!
Wow.
Turned to man.
Okay, now look, what is this?
It's turned. It's turned brown.
Now your toast is ready. Wow, nice brown color. You like brown color? Wow.
I take this one.
Mm.
I take this one. Amy, I said I take this.
Yeah, wait. I put all outside first. This is very hot. Okay? This is very hot.
Amy.
Oh, is it very hot?
Amy.
Yeah, what?
I want to eat.
Okay, you can eat. You can take.
I take.
Okay, we remove this first.
No.
Okay. No.
Spy face on the bird. Wait.
This is what on your t-shirt?
Come on, sir.
The
The t-shirt.
t-shirt is what? White smiley. Okay.
This one.
You eat and give me how many stars?
200.
Wow. The garlic butter toast get 200.
Yeah.
Why you like?
Yeah.
When you don't like my lamb chop.
I take 100.
Lamb chop is 100. The toast is 200.
Yeah.
Okay lah. Okay lah. Sedap? Okay. So,
Yeah.
now we have COVID-19. Malaysia have MCO2, movement control order, lockdown. We have to stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy. Zachary don't go to school.
Yeah.
But must
And 2021.
2021 and what? What is 2021?
The 9.
Hmm?
I'm 9 years old.
I know you are 9 years old. Stay home. Stay home, stay healthy. Stay safe away from the COVID-19 virus. Okay. So if you like, try the garlic butter toast
And country work creatures dead body.
with that body.
And then that one's human. So it's a human.
Give thumbs up, like our video, share, give a comment, and please
Please subscribe.
subscribe. See you. Have a good year 2021. Show thumbs up with your thumbs up.
Okay.
Oh, only this.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
I get to eat everything.